Hi there, welcome to the Money Moves channel. We're here to share with you how to make more income with our Money Moves in series. Making money with just a mobile phone or laptop. Using the Money app is one of the ways to make real money online. However, there are tons of apps on the internet, and some of them are actually not working at all. That's why I tested tons of online money apps and found out the one that actually pay you real money. So, let's go. Swagbucks is the web's most popular loyalty and consumer reward program. You can be rewarded with gift cards or cash for everyday activities, like searching the web, playing games, watching videos, or shopping online where you make money through cashback. There are several different ways to earn the SP points. It's 100 SP points for $1 United States dollar. Swagbucks supports Amazon gift cards, PayPal, and other gift cards. You earn rewards in points and then redeem the rewards. What are you waiting for? It's time for making some real money. Click the link under the description and go to this page. You can simply fill in the email and password to start the registration, or you can sign up with Google account. You will see this welcome screen after registering. You close it and start to do the task. After login, you can click Answer on the menu. Here has a lot of surveys that you can work on. Swagbucks Shop gives you some discounts at your favorite stores. Go to Shop from the menu and click Shop Home. You will find the stores that you like. Besides surveys, you can find all the other tasks on the Discover page. For example, you can earn SP by playing games. You will earn the SP points after you finish the task in the game. You can find the daily bonus here. Remember to finish the task to get extra points. You can redeem your reward if you have 500 more points. Click the reward on the menu, and you can select which one you need. Here is what I redeemed in 1 month. Hope this tip will help you. If you want to know more about the similar topics, please like, click the bell, and subscribe. And please share with our Money Moves about what is your tips or your journey how to make more money in the comment section below. Thank you all.